All right. So we're trying to figure out if wxyz equals 1. All right, well, let's start out with wxyz. We're going to see if that equals 1. And w is 1 over x. So I'll substitute it in for w. Bring down the x. Y is 1 over z. Bring down the z. Is that equal to 1? Those cancel, 1 equal 1. So that works. All right, so we know that w, x, y, and z equals 1. That's given. I'm looking at clue 2 now. I forgot about clue 1. Now, if I divide both sides by x, y, z, that gives me w equals 1 over x, y, z. So that's this. So w x squared equals w. Divide both sides by w, and I get x squared equals 1, but that's not telling me anything about x times wxyz. So this one doesn't work. Only clue 1. Your answer is A.